Hello, what's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. How are we doing? I don't know why I'm so excited today. Maybe because I just want to talk to our guys in the house, our daddies in the house, our man in the house. Okay, so today we have something special I want to tell you because I keep getting those questions every day from different people. Okay, so I didn't want to include it here on this channel, but the request is just extra, like it's too numerous, so I can't keep you know telling one person one thing or the other just today. So there is let me check, put it like I will be taking and I'll be telling us some herbs that will help us, to perform our duty. When we talk of our duty, the guys in the house, the men in the house, our daddies in the house, you know what I'm talking about. There is a special duty assigned to you. Okay? So even if you are not yet married and you a man, very soon you still get married. And if you don't do your duty very well, I'm sorry, someone out there may help you to do it, and that is what we don't want. So today we'll be taking our day one joystick remedy. Sorry, I won't be calling the real name, okay? So because of YouTube policy, so they don't get me blocked, or they don't remove my content. So we'll be assigning some names to it. So for our guys in the house, whenever we hear joystick, you should know that we are talking about you know what I mean. Then for the ladies in the house, I will still have so many things to talk about on our own. So those area, whenever we talk of Jerusalem or honeypot, you know that I'm referring to, that side. Okay, so without much ado, if you love those developments, if you love those content that I'm about to start uploading, please, I want you to give me a thumbs up and then give me feedback on what you think. Okay, or unless you want me to continue mainly on spiritual aspects of our life. But if you still want me to any area you still want me to go about, as long as it's herbal stuff, as long as it's natural stuff, believe me, I will help. By God's grace, I will deliver. Okay, so today we'll be discussing something. The good thing about it is that I'll be preparing it with us. Yeah, I'll be preparing it with us, and let me tell you the truth, we have a lot, we have many of them to discuss. Like, we have many, it's just too numerous. Okay, so we'll be taking it one after the other, gradually, until by God's grace we'll solve all those problems. Okay, I got some questions about those inability to give birth, especially in the ladies. Okay, uh, by God's grace, we'll be treating infertility in this channel. We'll treating how to take care of it using herbal remedy. So you can say that we have a lot in stock for us. Okay, so I want you to feel free to join this family only by clicking on the subscribe button, yeah, and then the bell icon notification beside it for notification. Okay, so that you don't miss any updates. I won't like you to miss any. If you miss any, you won't be happy. I tell you, you're gonna miss a lot. So try and join the family. So the guys in the house, let's go straight to the business of the day. I'll be performing it right and direct here. You have to follow me to the end of the video for you to get every glimpse of what we are going to talk about. So let's go straight to the video. Can I dance? Don't mind me, I don't know how to dance, but by God's grace I'm learning it. So if you are willing to teach me how to dance, oh my god, you can come up with it. So the first thing we'll be needing is our ginger. Alright, so have to cut medium size ginger. You must not have this size of ginger, but just have like a big ginger, okay? Because you just take this once, okay? Alright, so then another thing we'll be needing is our red onions, very much needed. Yes, red onions is very much important in our system, especially, in fact, everybody needs red onions. It has a lot of benefits. We've treated about the spiritual uses of red onions. Okay, yeah, so here is the physical uses of red onions. You can see that we are blessed. So I have to cut it in a pieces so that my blender can take care of the rest. Okay, but if you don't have blender, please, you must not miss this because you don't have blender, because so many people will come up with excuse we don't have blender. Please, you can use your normal mortar crusher, anything to crush it. But what we need is just to Yeah, so just let's go straight. You can see we need to be very fast for it. You can see that's my little blender. After blending it, this is what we'll have. This is what we'll have after blending it. So you have to put it in the strainer and then separate the water from the chaff. You can see. Well, since this is big, so you have to transfer it to a bigger blender. Sorry, bigger strainer. You can see me doing it well. So I'm just trying to, get enough water. Here is it. It is ready. Then the last thing I'll be adding here, it's not really the last thing but semi last thing, is our lemon. You can use any lemon of your choice. Lemon is very much needed in the system. Yes, it helps, it's in the system and it helps, in those areas. It's okay. Women, you can take this as well. It's not mainly for the guys. Ladies can take this, but for the guys it's going to help you, normalize your system. So here comes our yummy tea. All right, so we have another thing to add, so to make it tasty. Yeah, that is my honey. Okay, original honey, very needed, very much needed. Original honey, I can't do without original honey. So you have to mix this. Okay, prepare it. You can take it once, yes, or morning and evening. Just take it some hours before the show. You know what I mean by the show? Yeah, it's ready right now. Just take it some hours. You can take it in the morning before going out in the morning, and then once you are back you have to take the remaining one. Please cover it so that the flavor won't escape, won't find the roots and disappear in a thin air. Just have to cover it. It can be taken it with spoon, or you can just drink it. All right, so I think this will help us a lot. All right, so thank you guys. You can be doing it anytime you want, anytime, any day. It doesn't have overdose. All right, so make sure you eat good food. Make sure you include plantain in your daily food. Don't worry, we have a lot of this to discuss here on this channel. I believe we will all learn one thing or the other each passing day. Just give me your undivided attention. Just join the family. Just give me that, yeah. It's gonna be strong after taking it. Okay, you know what I mean by it's gonna be strong. So here it comes. Take care of yourself. Bye, ladies and gentlemen.